Hello YouTube. I see a lot of videos on the internet showing people showing their electronics lab. I just cleaned up mine and I thought this is the perfect moment to give a little lab tour. Actually my lab is quite big. It's split into three pieces. Over there we have the office part, which in the corner also has the 3D printer. Over here I have the more stuff for more mechanical work, a little drilling, a saw table, and also a place to repair computers. And over here is my electronic bench. Starting with the bench, I have my computer here for all my Arduino programming stuff, measurements and so on. Of course some music. Some daily used parts, cleaning stuff, a small USB charger. This is actually a very old power supply, analog power supply. I built this together with my friend 35 years ago, and actually it's still working and in daily use. On top of that, it's a DC load, 150 watt. And adjustable load, so I can use it for testing batteries and testing power supplies. A project light, I don't know the English word. It's showing some text is programmable for Bluetooth. Over here is my recent purchased very old multimeter from Philips. I just cleaned it up, adjusted, and it's working fine now. It's just, well, it was cheap and I thought I need to buy it. My power supply, my daily use power supply, well, it's just a very big power supply with a programmable module, which you probably will recognize. It can supply up to 50 volts and up to 15 amps, so it's quite a big power supply. My hand meter, Unity, nice meter, great resolution, and works fine. My ESR meter for checking capacitors in circuit. And my daily used Siglent multimeter. Very satisfied with this one, very happy with it. It's a great multimeter for daily use and very lot of functions, connection to the computer for logging and so on and so on. My desoldering station, a high-end soldier smoke. It's rechargeable. My hot air station, and of course some more music. My soldering station with a flux dispenser, power. My oscilloscope, it's a 17 megahertz oscilloscope, function generator, and a very handy 5 volt 1 amp power supply. Some tools, cleaning stuff, my daily use tools. Oh, I forgot this one. This is a module for testing how many current or how many watts and something is taking. And it's also easy if you do in circuit testing. I can switch it on very easy. There's a big relay inside, so it's safe and well, much more easy than disconnecting the mains every now and then. My large screen, my laptop, my big amplifier, also for the music, And if you can see here, there is hidden a very old Raspberry Pi, which is my daily music source. Tools, a lot of them. Tools, connectors, well, heaters, heat shrink tube, batteries, and this is the box for all the wiring. My parts, quite organized. Some projects. Then we go to the mechanical part. A very handy sewing machine. I use it to cut PCBs and so on, small components. My Dremel, which is now I use it for drilling holes in PCBs. But of course I can use it as a normal Dremel because you can pull it out. Some more tools. This is actually the desk which I use for repairing laptops and testing laptops, or putting Windows and so on the laptops. I do it on this bench here because I have internet here. I have a switch to connect to. Some radios just to play with. And that's the mechanical side. Over here is my 3D printer. It started as a kit, and I made my own enhancements on it, powered by a Raspberry Pi with Octopi on it. This is my daily use computer, which I use mainly for office work, but also for the 3D printing part. But this is also the place if I have to do some work, fill out forms and so on, I will do it on this place. Well, that's pretty much my tour, and I hope you enjoyed this video.